So our today question for problem of the day is identical linked list. So in this question we have to check whether the two linked lists have the same nodes. That is the question. If both the linked lists are identical, then we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return. So now moving over to our example test cases, I have picked the second test case from the GFG question. That is, our first linked list is this, and our second one is this. So our first PTR1 will be here, and our PTR2 will be here. These two are equal. We will move them further. Again equals, again moving. Now they are again equal. And we will move the PTRs until both they are equal or one of them is null. If one of them is null, then our loop will break. And if at the end, if both the pointers are pointing to null, that means both the lists are completely finished. So we can easily return true. Otherwise, if one of the pointer is null and the another one is not null, it directly means that one of the pointers has reached the end of the list, another pointer is still in the middle of the list. That means both the lists are not identical. We can return false. So now moving over to the code. We are given the head 1 and head 2 of the two linked lists. We are assigning PTR1 to head 1 and PTR2 to head 2. Now we are moving the loop until the PTR1 is not null and PTR2 is also not null. If any one of them becomes null, then the loop will break. So what we are doing in the loop is that firstly, if the PTR1 data is not equal to PTR2 data, that means the two linked lists are not identical at this point, so we can return false. Otherwise, if they are equal, so we are moving PTR1 one step ahead and PTR2 also. Now, one time will come when one of the PTR1 or PTR2 will be null, or both of them can also be null. So again, we are checking. If PTR1 is null and PTR2 is also null, it means both the pointers have reached to the end of the list at the same time. So we can return true. Otherwise, the other case is the one of the pointers is null and another pointer is not null. So we can return false here. So that is our code.